Have you put up your first photo video on Instagram? And are you happy with how your profile looks? If not, I will show you how to fix that in today's video. Hi, I am Pixelpia. I am a teacher and a lifelong learner. And I just started this series about Instagram for beginners. And in my last video, I showed you how to download and install Instagram and set up a very basic account. And we also looked at the interface and what you can find on Instagram. If you missed that, I will link it up in the eye and in the description. But today, we're gonna take a look at your account. And luckily, I can put my screen up there and have it in my hand at the same time, thanks to technology. So what we're doing first is we're opening our Instagram and log in to test Pixelpia, the account I created last time. As you can see, there is nothing there. Today, we're gonna look at our profile. To get to the profile, you click the little faceless circle down in the right corner. And here we are. It doesn't say much. So let's start by adding a profile picture. Click the little plus sign and add profile photo. New profile photo. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you can choose between gallery, that is photos you have saved on your phone, or photo. Let's take my profile picture. As you can see at the bottom of the screen here are a lot of different filters I can choose from. I'm not going to do anything of that today. Next to that, it says edit. And here you can adjust if it's a little crooked, brightness, contrast, all the different things you can adjust. But this is a basic tutorial, so we're just going to let it be as it is. Up to the right, you click next. It's loading. There you go. There you have my profile picture that I just took. Now, underneath that it said edit profile. So let's hit that. As I said in my last video, your name you could change later. And I don't want to be known as Pixelpia test. So let's take away that test and just call me Pixelpia. I do that by clicking on the name and then just erase the word test and hit the little check mark up to the right. My username, I don't care too much about. Website, if you have a personal website or a YouTube channel or anything that you want to put in there, you can do so. So I'm gonna put in pixelpia.com. Hit my little check mark and then go down to bio. Here is where you write something about you, or if you have a special interest, maybe you decide to start your Instagram to share your cooking or your gardening. You write a couple of things there so people know what they can expect. I am just writing, hi, I am Pixelpia, and hit the little check mark. Now comes the most interesting part. We're gonna make our first post to our account. So, why am I showing you the phone? You have the screen up here. Okay, what we're gonna do is hit that little plus sign at the bottom. And we have three options. To the left, we have gallery. That shows all the photos I have. And the first one that pops up on the screen is the photo I just took for my profile picture. In the center, we have photo, and we can take a new picture. I took a new picture. I can choose a filter, and I can do the same edit as I could do with my profile picture. Now we click next. On this screen, we have write a caption. So I am going to write my first shared photo. I can tag people. There are more than one person in the photo. I can write their names there, and if they have an account, they will be notified that their photo is published. I can add a location. I usually don't do that unless I am on vacation and the location is important. And I can post this same picture to Facebook, Twitter or Tumblr. And then we have advanced settings. I can turn off commenting if I don't want people to be able to comment on this photo. And I can share my post to Facebook. I'm not going to share it anywhere else, so I just hit share. Now it will upload my photo. It's on the feed, and if I click on my little picture in the bottom right corner, I can see that it is on my homepage. Let's add something else. Hit that little plus again. Once again, we have gallery, we have photo, but we have video. So I can make a short video here by holding down the button as I talk to the camera. This is how I make a short little video for Instagram. And the second I let go of the button, it stops recording. And then we hit next. Again, I can use the filters. I can put the cover pictures on it. I won't do that today, and I won't put a filter, but we are gonna listen and look. This is how I make a short little video for Instagram. I hit next, and just as with the photo, I can write a caption, testing video. I can tag people, add location and share to other places. I won't do that, but I will hit share. And now it is uploading my video to my account. So here we go, home. There is my video. There is my photo I took. If I click on my account, my profile, I'll see the photo I took and I see the video. And we can play the video. It plays without sound. But there is in the bottom right corner, if I hit on the video, there is a speaker that turns the sound on or off. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I will try and answer them. If you have any ideas of other social media applications or websites you would like me to make a tutorial about, leave that in the comments below as well. And if you want to make sure you don't miss my next video, hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified on when I upload. I am loving Instagram and I hope that you will too. And as you could see, it's really easy to share a photo. Until next time, remember, never stop learning.